Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox the best selling handphone in Singapore. Let's see. Is the Galaxy A14. Okay. This is the 4G version. Okay. We got our Type-C cable. All the quick start guide. And the SIM ejector tool. Similar to other phone, we do not receive any charger, the wall plug. Okay, so you have to buy your own. Alright, let's look at the color. This is the black color version. Black color. Fingerprint. And it's not fingerprint magnet. What about the screen? Okay, let's power it up. A14 4GB RAM, 128GB storage, and the price is only 170. Currently Shopee there's a promotion. If you buy from retail, I think it should be around 200. Okay, let's try. Swipe to open. Overall, it's quite smooth. Let's try the camera. Wide angle, zoom, and the front facing. There you go. Overall, not bad. It's a budget phone compared to their flagship Galaxy S23. If you are on a budget and you need a spare phone, I think this can be a good option, or the other option will be the Galaxy A53, the mid-range phone. And thank you for watching. If you need any description, please look down to the description tab below and look for all the specs. There you go. See you.